Welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to be learning how to make this beautiful bell sleeve. You can use this design on any outfit or any fabric, on your Ankara fabric, on your lace fabric. You can even use it on your ashrebi or your corporate wear. So this style is so versatile and it gives a bit of lift to your outfit. So let's get started. So I'm not going to be drafting pattern for this. I already folded my fabric into four. I'm using this lace, so I folded it into four, and I'm going to be using that selvage end as the end. So if you are using Ankara, is not Ankara does not have selvage end. Okay, so I folded this into two and then into four. Now for the width, I'm going to be using 15 inches. Remember, it's 15 inches on fold, so once you open it up, we are going to be having 30 inches. Then the length of the sleeve is the total length of the lace. Okay, so I'm marking 10 inches for my round sleeve plus sewing allowance. Then for the cap height, I'm measuring 4 inches. To get your cap height, this is your bust divided by 12 inches plus 0.5. So you're going to get your cap height just like I did. Then you just make that curve. Then you're going to be getting your ruler and you mark a straight slanty line. Okay, so this is what is going to give it that bell effect. Then you go ahead and cut it out. Okay, if you're using Ankara fabric, you can still even make the other side longer and make your center, make it shorter. Okay, that means you're going to have to line it, but since I'm using lace and I want the selvage end to show on the hem of the sleeve, so that's why I'm not doing that style. So you can just be creative with it. You can do any design at the hem, make it slanty, or give it that scallop effect, anything you want. Just let your creativity guide you. So you go ahead and then you cut it out and you're good to go. So if you've gone to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please make sure you subscribe. So if you're going to be trying this out, let me know. So I'm going to be notching just like you see me do, so that I know my center piece. So after you're done with that, this is basically all you need to do for your bell sleeve. You go ahead and you join the sides with the allowance. Remember, when I was cutting, I added 1 inch allowance to it, so I'm going to be adding that. Then you're going to attach the head to your sleeve and you're basically done. So thank you so much for watching. Look at how beautiful this is. So if you're going to be trying this out, let me know in the comment section. This can go for any outfit. That is the beautiful thing about it. You can add interfacing and then your lining if you're working with other fabric that is not lace. So see you in my next tutorial. Bye.